Good evening, this is Keith Hall and welcome back. Today you're going to learn how to use website auto tags to create a clickable link using the text element within the Builderall platform. And why you want to do this is, number one reason is so you have an auto tag, it's pre-filled with a link per se or anything else that you want, and you want to add it to your website page within a text element. This way that if for some reason in the future that website link changes, all you have to do is go into the area which I'm going to show you in a second to change that website link, and that way you don't need to regenerate or republish or resave your websites that use that auto tag. So what am I talking about with the auto tags within Builderall platform? If you go to your home page and if you go under account and scroll down and see advanced configurations, what you want to do is come over to this tag tab, and in this case I'm using, these are all different auto tags within this area, and what I'm going to be using in this particular case is an extra tag 0. So we have up to 19 different tags, or basically 20 tags here that we could pre-fill with links or any other information, and then when we use that particular tag within our particular elements on our web page, all it does is it reads this information, brings it into that element, and that's how it will display the information that's in this tag, or in my case, I'm going to be using this as a clickable link. So in this particular instance, I have it go into my Instagram account. So if I go to my web page, here's a tag element. And if I double click in here, highlight it, and then use the link icon, I'm going to come down here over here where it says tags. And then I'm going to select the tag that I want to use. So in this particular case, the tag that I want to use is called extra tag 0. And if we go back to my advanced configurations, this is the tag that it's using. So it's going to grab this information when I click on that element on the live site. So I already saved this. I don't have to do it again, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the live site. I'm going to refresh the screen, and then I'm going to click on this link. And as you see, it brings it directly to my Instagram account. So we can change it again. Let's go back to this area, and let's say I want it to go to my Facebook account. If I go ahead and save this, scroll down, let's go over to tags, let's scroll down, make sure it's saved. Let's go back to the live site, let's refresh it. Let's click on here. As you can see, I didn't have to republish the site or resave my web page. It automatically grabbed that new information from that particular tag. Give it a second to load, but basically that's one way that you could use these auto tags that Builderall built into our system, and it makes it easier for us as developers to update our sites and automatically use predefined tags or fields with predefined values in there, so we don't have to go back into our sites and republish them. Hopefully this gave you a new idea on how to use auto tags, and remember to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification. So whenever a new video is ready, you'll be first to be notified. Thanks again for stopping by. Remember to add some comments below in the description. And thanks again for stopping by. I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.